Good afternoon, teacher. I am the student Alexander Castro Gutierrez. Uh, English is very important studying. In my university in private and counting. Then it is a extension requirement to complete my courses. Uh, but would I also learn a lot day after and they quit my activities and my in my work environment as a military. There are many courses that required the level of English. Um, at that, obviously, strengthen um, mm, my knowledge a lot to be able to do it in the best way, taking into account that my reason has a better standard and in my daily life in it helps my skills and competencies because I can interact with people would have a better fluency in the second language, helping my better pronunciation and expression with my social environment, teacher. Thank you, teacher.